truck is chasing the kitten again. The kitten was playing with his favorite toy car. After playing, he happily walked home. Suddenly, the kitten tripped and fell, and the toy car dropped to the ground. Oh, no! The toy car fell into the sewer. Kitten tried to get it back, but failed. Luckily, Father Cat blamed him and took him to the store to buy a new one. They happily went home. Oh my god! The toy car that fell into the sewer has turned into a monster. The monster crossed his path and crashed into their car.
Oh no!
The car was damaged and Dad, Cat, and the kitten had to run into the nearby forest. Oh no! The monster truck caught up with them. Father Cat told the kitten to run quickly while he stayed behind to hold off the monster truck. Oh my god! Father Cat fell, and the monster truck ate him. The truck is chasing the kitten again. The situation is critical. The kitten was caught. Oh, luckily it was just a kitten dream in the end.
Good morning, Jamin.
Turns out it was a dream.
The father cat and the kitten are joyfully sailing on a luxurious yacht, unaware that it is crossing waters that are. Oh no! A sudden storm struck, causing the yacht to shake violently. Fortunately, both the father cat and the kitten are safe. Oh my god! The human skeletons have come to life and are climbing onto the ship to attack. Dad Cat is trying to stop them. The father cat courageously fought the skeletons and attempted to escape with the kitten, but they were vastly outnumbered.
I want my dad.
Oh my god! After Father Cat handed Kitten over to the rescuers, the zombie ghosts surrounded him and he couldn't get away. Oh no! Father Cat has turned into a skeleton ghost cat. Will Kitten come back to avenge Papa Cat? Let's wait and see.